Senior Counsel Philip Murgor and Joaquim Bone, on behalf of Raila Odinga, claimed they were not granted access to the 8 IEBC servers, and the availed forensic image of the server was created on the same day of request. They also noted that IEBC had failed to comply with the orders from court, a claim IEBC through their lawyers Dennis Nkaritia quickly dismissed, pegging IEBC's compliance on the notes presented in the report by the registrar.
He confirmed that the results transmission system runs on 8 servers, of which 1 is a virtual server, and the 7 are Docker containers, which is a server within a server. The IEBC denied agents access to the Docker servers. We were therefore unable to proceed further with that exercise. The virtual image availed for scrutiny was created on the 31st of August 2022. We therefore state that this cannot be from the same server that ran the just concluded.
When we asked, as the court had directed in its ruling, order number 1, that we get a password policy, they said no, it will infringe on the security.
The forensic image of the 34C was granted, and all parties were also given time to interact with this server the whole day.
Murgor further indicated that IEBC declined to take them through a critical security walk in their system to determine whether the result forms could be tampered with. The senior counsel further referred to a written submission from Smartmatic declining to give forensic imaging of its all servers, saying that it would expose the source code and hence infringe on the intellectual property rights and put at risk data from all other clients, rendering their system useless.
To the requirements of the Constitution, the IEBC abrogated their duty to conduct the IT component of the election and gave it entirely to Smartmatic.
From the logs obtained, Odinga's team concluded there was unauthorized access to the servers with multiple deletions, a claim quickly dismissed through interpretation of the logs capture by the advocates to the respondents in the petition. Jackson Awele pointed to the absence of the KimSkit QR code in a tamper-proof envelope as required by the law in at least 44 of the 45 ballot boxes inspected. Further, Book 2 of 2 of Form 34A that were meant to be secured in a similar manner were noted absent in at least 27 ballot boxes. The registrar's report noting, however, there were no glaring discrepancies since the numbers tallied.
We came across ballot boxes that did not have original or carbon copies of Form 34As. Your leadership, the effect of that is that the authenticity of the forms appearing in the public portal is then called to question.
The recount confirmed that there was correct vote count in 45 polling stations. It also confirmed that all the data that was entered, including, for example, the rejected votes, reflected that which was in the ballot and that which was in the image. It also confirmed that the Form 34As were not altered.
The report highlighted a number of polling stations in which electoral materials had not been secured in tamper-proof envelopes as required by the law, while serial numbers to the seals differed with what was captured at the polling station diary. The findings of the report after scrutiny of ballot boxes and technology used during elections, in addition to the comments of the agents present in the scrutiny, will inform the decision reached to by the court. This will be done in a judgment set to be read on the 5th of September to determine the result of the August polls, whether to be upheld or nullified. David Kagina, K24, Nairobi.